As promised on the breaking news last month, here's the bi-weekly update on Grand Indonesia's lifts upgrading. Finally, we see a visible update on one of the lift's banks. But first, let's take a look at the current state of the upgrading as of June 10, 2023. As told on the montage earlier, there are two visible updates as of June 10, 2023. Number 1. The new haul station is finally in place on level 3, AP3/Seibu lifts. This clearly indicates that the new lift specifically in this bank is MRL, Mitsubishi's Nexia's MRL, to be precise. And number 2. Looking at the picture on the left, it is uncertain whether the old cab of the Scenic lifts, BP1, is still being dismantled or the new cab is being installed instead. That's it for the current updates. I'll see you on the end of June. Probably the Seibu/AP3 lift is already running by then. But in the meantime, stay tuned and as always, never trust a generic.